Well, crypto. Today in this video we will talk about why the crypto market has been crashing yesterday. What are the major reasons behind it? Even though the market crashed, we tried to long it at the right support, and we have scaled our positions. Every single thing was being provided to you on the Telegram channel. So if you haven't subscribed my Telegram channel, the link is down in the description. Do make sure to join it because all the signals that I've been providing to you guys recently is providing you immense profit, guys. So let's get into it. First of all, we are watching out right now Bitcoin chart on a 4 hourly time frame, and what exactly had went wrong is this major support, the previous low, both the lows has been broken. You can see it right here right now that once we have lost the support, this was the only major support where we were trying to put up some of our longs, and at the time of pullback we have tried to book our profits, which gave us two targets were being hit, depending on the leverage that you have taken. Anything between if you have taken 10x or 100x, whatever leverage you have taken, depending on that you have been making good sums of profit, and I've shared the results with you guys on the Telegram. However, what is happening right now? Right now, what were the reason? I'm gonna explain you. First of all, the first thing that triggered Bitcoin was previous one day before we have seen that Bitcoin was not able to hold up 200 EMA. Okay, you can see it right here, the yellow line that is coming right here. So previous day before yesterday, Bitcoin had given a little bit of closing below this zone. Okay, if you want I can just remove this, and so you can understand what exactly happened. So Bitcoin had given a closing below this. As soon as it had given a closing below it, Bitcoin tried to reclaim this zone. Okay, it tried to reclaim it, but it was not having that kind of momentum. And by yesterday itself, we have seen multiple FUDs inside the market, multiple things that were negative for the market, which made a huge sell off. Not just the crypto market, it was for the whole financial markets, it was for the Dow Jones, it was for the e-mini futures, it was for the whole financial markets. So here are some of the things that triggered in the last 24 hours. Okay, this is the recent one. The first one that I'm here's the first thing that we will talk about is US government files appeal to block Binance US from acquiring bankrupt crypto lender Voyager digital assets for 1 billion. This case was being won by the Binance in the US court, but now the US government is filing an appeal that the Binance should not get this deal. First thing. Secondary, this is a recent news from today. Rest of the news are from yesterday, in which we have seen stock and crypto being shared up by 2 trillion in value, guys. This is a huge number, guys. Secondary thing, that is Silvergate bankruptcy. Silvergate, let me tell you, if you don't know, Silvergate is a bank that was dealing in with the cryptocurrency. So it was a crypto bank actually. So if anything is happening with our which is related to crypto, we can see the negative impact of that to our crypto market. As of now, they are getting bankruptcy. They are supposed to uh, pay back all the funds that the customers has been deposited into their banks. So possibly that's the only reason we have seen the first crash in the previous days, which was nearly to this zone, and now we have seen another crash because of that. It is also having effect of FTX, because their they have been investing inside the FTX, and so is this kind of outcome is coming up with the next, that is Silicon Valley bank troubles. This is another bad news for the market, which is troubling. And this major thing that is troubling the market is Biden yesterday had implemented 30% tax on the gainers tax. There is no tax deduction, and if you are losing any money on the crypto. So this is something similar to the Indian tax system. Recently there was a G20 meeting in Bangalore, and that's what happened right now. In the G20, I believe many countries have decided to implement harsh rules and regulation to the crypto, which will make things more worse in the coming days, and which we are seeing the impacts. However, there was one more thing that the Biden has implemented, that is 30% tax on the mining electricity. Like if any person who is trying to mine Bitcoin or cryptocurrency inside the US will be also be implemented with the 30% tax. So 30% on the gainers tax. If you are uh, like earning anything in the crypto market, you have to pay 30% tax on that. And even if you are doing mining, then also you need to pay 30% tax. Coming up with the next news that happened over the midnight course, that is UB exchange token FT had been crashed by, I can make you show that. Let me just confirm, complete all of these news, and I'm going to show you that. And US senators are being suing KuCoin, and they call Ethereum to be a security. This is another FUD, another news that is coming out inside the market. This news I already covered, that is USA capital gains tax from 20 to 40%. So they have doubled it. That is not actually, I believe it's 30 to 40%. Rest of the information will be coming out in the upcoming days, then things will be much clear. So now let me just remove all of this so that I can show you what exactly happened, on why there were multiple reasons. There was not just one reason why the crypto market has been crashing. You can see this was it's E-mini futures, which determines the global market. We were getting multiple rejections, and once we get a break above it, we have seen a good rally inside the price of Bitcoin. We have seen a good rally inside the stock markets. Right now, it went down because of the negative news that was circulating inside the market about the inflation and um, about the recession that can possibly come inside the market in the US. And that's the reason then once we have got a pullback, this pullback was being again dumped by the recent news is that came out in the Biden speech from yesterday, whatever the Biden has been calling out. So this is why now this area of support is trying to break, okay, and it's probably is been breaking. The only area of interest that we can see is going to be 38.85. If this area is being able to hold, then and only then we can see any upside confirmation inside the price of SPX index, or else we will see another dump like this, like we have seen right here. If we like we have been broken down, and we can see probably 5 6% more downward move inside the price of, inside the index of SPX index. So this will be very bad for the global market, as well as the Dow Jones has been dumping very badly. Same thing with the Dow Jones. Previously, one day before, it had lost 200 exponential moving average, and then after we have seen that this area of interest is being broken now. Same way it is been consolidating. Let me again show you what exactly happened once we have been breaking this ribbon. Okay, if you see previously when we have broken this ribbon, we have seen a downfall of, this was I believe the COVID crash, 27%. Again we have reclaimed it, and it went up pretty well. Again we lost it, and as we lost it, we again dumped for likely 17 18%. And this time I was again expecting that the global market, like the US market, will gonna rise up, because it had reclaimed this zone, but it seems to be a fake out for many days, and it's now trying to break low, which will make too much panic inside the market, and we can see more selling pressure inside the market. There could be much of a consolidation in the upcoming days, because there is a huge sell off. And there is one more, inflation numbers will be coming out, the CPI numbers will be coming out, and there will be most probably there is not 25 basis point that was being expected previously. Now there will be 50 to 75 basis point, which will impact more badly to the market. Same way we will talk about Ethereum. Ethereum has also lost its major support and is now testing the lower levels. If we're not able to hold these levels, we can expect more downward move inside the market. However, I still believe that we can see a little pullback inside the price of Bitcoin because the RSI is at levels of 10.61, which is very low for the market. So we can see a small pullback or we can see a consolidation, so the market can cool off, and then we can see another continuation dump inside the price of Bitcoin and the rest of the market. Okay, further updates guys I will be providing to you guys inside the Telegram. There is one more thing that I want to make you understand guys, why yesterday the Bitcoin price had collapsed, because many people were still bullish. The funding rate were positive, and when the funding rate is positive, we can expect easy dump inside the price of Bitcoin and the rest of the market. There is a total liquidation of 2.38 billion, 2.38 million in last 1 hour, and in 24 hours we have seen a $310 million of liquidation guys. This is a huge number of liquidation. If you see, this is whole numbers of longs that have been liquidated. So it's always, you need to remember guys, you need to consider your stop loss, you need to consider your take profits. If you are in a profit, you need to understand you have to book it guys. If you're gonna keep on holding it, it's gonna ruin all of your profit guys. So this was all about it. Quick, I believe you have got a whole idea about it, and I believe you have also been watching the markets, and there is nothing much of to do because it's a falling knife as of now. As soon as there is some price action being developed, we will surely again gonna enter the market with a good positive mindset, and we will be making a huge sums of profit guys. I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye bye.